So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to be on the first page on Etsy. So for that guys, first of all you will have to open any web browser on your computer and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you guys will have to log into your account and then you guys can able to see this option right here called Shop Manager, and now click on this. So guys, after that you guys will come on this website and then you have to click on this option right here called Listings. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys can see all of your products right around here. So guys, what will you can do to make your products will come on the first page, or you can say on the home page on the Etsy website. So the first thing you guys can do is to select your product and then click on this setting button, and then you can click on this edit button, and after that you guys can able to scroll down a little bit, and then you will find scroll down, and then you guys can find this option right here called tags. Now you guys will have to just type most trending tags that are the most relevant to your product, and those can help you to be boost your products on the first page. So the second thing you guys can do is to make your title and your product description most appealing to your customers, so that your customers on your page and then will buy your product. So the third thing you guys can do is to diversify your listings. So guys, after diversifying your listings on your Etsy shop, you guys can able to see the more reachable contact from the consumers. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.